Hello and welcome to the second part of the KBESprint 2010 overview, where we show how easy it is to create a new configuration with the KBE produced user form. On the project page is shown the project we created in the first video. I click on conveyor and enter an order number that will be used as a prefix for the new files to be generated. We then choose the client name from the list we earlier imported from Excel. Range checking we put in place tells me that 95 exceeded the accepted maximum value, so I set to 54, a value I know will work. I do not wish to include a part box, so I uncheck the receptacle. Checking the Rebuild checkbox and clicking on the Start button begins the building process using the new values we just entered. As the building proceeds, new files are appearing in the directory that we previously defined with the order number prefix. We can also apply other rules on the file name, but by default the part file names and assemblies that we will be generating will include the values taken from the user inputs that we provided. The drawings are also generated in a totally automated fashion. If the drawings on the sub-assemblies and parts were included in the master drawing, KBESprint would take them into account when generating the new models. We can also see on the right of the screen that SolidWorks opens the parts, assemblies, and drawings to apply the new values that I have entered. A few seconds later, the new models has been generated with its drawings. We also see in the directory listing a log file that contains a listing of all the operations KBESprint applied to the model. Now let's go back to the Configuration Manager. At the bottom of the window, we have a link to the configuration list. Here we find the conveyor configuration I generated, identified by number and date. We can also see the values of the previous configurations by clicking on Open and View the eDrawing models. We can send the results to clients or colleagues who only need to download the free viewer from the SolidWorks website. KBESprint can also generate drawings in PDF format for viewing. This ends the second part of the video introducing KBESprint. Thanks for watching. And please feel free to contact us if you have questions.